Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a stage channel within your Discord server. So one thing that you do need to have enabled before you create this channel is that you do need to turn your server to public. Now there can be some features that will enable you to make this private, this specific channel private, after you have made the whole server public. So if you're worried and concerned about that, you can have some additional security privacy features on the other end. But the stage channel allows you to go live and share without the chaos of having a lot of people in a voice channel. It's like when you hop on class or for a Zoom meeting and there's like 30 people and none of them know how to mute your mics. That's like what it would be like using the stage without the stage. But let's go ahead and go to this caret up here and go to create channel. And then I am going to click on the stage. I'm going to call this stage 2 and then next. We can add any types of moderators here if we want to. I'm going to add the mods role and then click create channel. And then there we go. We have created stage 2 and now it's giving me some like waiting music. And you can go ahead and start the stage. You can schedule an event to have the stage started. You can add music. I don't know if you can hear the music, but you can mute that there or you can close it out. But that is how you create a stage channel. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out more Discord tutorials in the description down below.